Dear users, congratulations on successfully upgrading to the MQB key data reading feature. The package you received should contain the following items: MQB adapter, enhanced chip, key soldering cable. Please follow these steps to complete the hardware upgrade and ensure the normal use of the MQB key data reading feature. First, unscrew the 4 corner screws and remove the outer casing. Then, unscrew the screws holding the board in place. Once you've accessed the front of the board, carefully remove the existing chip and replace it with the enhanced chip. After replacing the chip, reassemble the device. Important: during future use, both the device and adapter need to be powered on. For further guidance, please refer to our function tutorial. See you in the next video.